Welcome to the demonstration of POS software. I have logged in from the admin panel, and as you can see, we can view the dashboard currently. On the top, we have the search bar, we have your profile icon, the share documents icon, your to-do list, your timesheets, and your notification bell. On the top, you can see announcements for your company. You can see the pending invoices, awaiting payment, converted leads, projects in progress, and unfinished tasks. You get an overview of the same. You get your to-do list, how many tasks are completed and how many tasks are incomplete. You get your total invoicing, outstanding invoices, due invoices, and paid invoice total at the bottom. You get your graphs for the leads. You get the project statistics, the latest activity in the project. You have your tasks list over here and your calendar schedule. As you can see, there are events marked in the calendar as well. At the bottom, you get the contracts that are about to expire. On the left, we see the various modules that are available in CRM. We'll go over them one by one. And as we know, the CRM process always starts with the new lead. So right now we are in the dashboard module, and hence you can see the dashboard. When you click on the customer, you get the customer list. You have the option to create a new customer, import customers, and even add their contacts. You can filter them by groups, country, invoices, estimates, projects, etc. As you can see, the total customer count, inactive versus active customers, inactive contacts as well. When you click on any customer, you'll get their dashboard, you get the detail, you can add the billing shipping address and assign an admin to it. The profile, you can add the contacts, any notes, any statements that need to be made. So as you can see, you see the statement for this month. You get the invoices against the customer. Here we can see the customer has two invoices, one is paid, one is unpaid. You can see on the top outstanding and due invoices. Any proposals connected to the customer, you can create a new proposal. Their credit notes, estimates given to them. If there are multi-billing facility of subscription that they can avail, you can create that as well. The expenses against that customer, you get it segregated into total, billable, non-billable, not invoiced, billed, etc. Any contracts made against the customer, you get that icon as well. Customer related projects that are ongoing, customer related tasks. If there is any support tickets raised by the customer, you get that as well. Any files that are attached, the vault, reminders, and the map facility. So the customer detail is very vast. Similarly, you have an entire sales module. Here you can see proposals. You can create new proposals. You have the status, whether it is accepted or not, whom it is given to. Next, you have the estimates, the amount of estimates, the name of the customer, what is the status, whether it is still in draft or it is accepted. Similarly, invoices, you get the invoice list. You also get the status, whether it is paid or unpaid. The credit notes of all the customers, your item masters. So you can create new items over here. You can segregate them into groups, and it also gives you the bulk import option. As I said before, subscriptions. So they can have active subscription with monthly billing cycles and as well as project and their status. The expense module shows the expense that is recorded. You can add and attach a receipt or a file, a scan file of the receipt. You get their invoices, the name of the customer. Similarly, in contracts, you can create contracts for the customer. As you can see, there's one active contract right now. The contract value, the start and end date, and the project it is against. The project module lets you create projects. There are two here demo projects put in. You can add tags to them, which members will be involved in the project, the deadline, the status of the project. Similarly, you can create tasks for the project. As we can see, you have created, you can give the due date, start date, what is the status, who all will be working on it, and the priority level of it. On the top, you get the total summary, how many tasks are not started, how many are in progress, how many are testing, and how many are completed. You also get a Kanban board view over here. The support module lets you, the customer, raise tickets and you get the status of them as well. In leads, you can create a new lead, you can set the status, you can add the data and save them. Similarly, the estimate request can be created. Utilities include bulk PDF export, the media, and the calendar schedule as well. As you can see on the calendar, the upcoming estimates, the due dates, and all those will be visible. And all the reports related to the data that we input. So when we go to sales, we have invoice reports, item reports, payment receipts, payment modes, total incomes. You get chart based on it. You have reports for your expenses. You have your expense versus income data. You have your lead reports. So the leads converted, the source of conversion, what month it was the highest. And similarly, you have your super settings where you can set up the email templates for the same. Thank you for joining us for the demonstration of this software.